4G network shifts to 3G during calls. Yes, Krunal Riddles, absolutely.
जियो वाला नहीं होता.
You know, there's actually, I mean, we'll talk about the technology, but there are two kinds of systems. There are two kinds of systems in terms of network structures. And जो 3G technology है, ये circuit swapping technology होती है, यानी कि basically what it does is it goes to a voice network 3G technology में जब आपको एक कॉल आता है. In 4G टेक्नोलॉजी आपको एक्चुअली एनेबल करती है या आपको ऑप्शन देती है टू डू अ वॉइस कॉल ओवर डेटा, which is why it's called VoLTE, voice over LTE या voice over IP. And so that is a big shift when it comes to 4G. Now इसका मतलब क्या होता है? That all the network providers out there, they can actually, if they want, let you make a voice call over internet. Now, which is great for consumers because you can have high definition quality audio, high definition quality video and all of that. But इसका मतलब ये भी होगा that the network providers will have to stop charging you money for voice calls. And भाई साहब, अब मतलब अगर किसी चीज़ से पैसे बन रहे तो कोई वो दुकान क्यों बंद करेगा? अपने पेट पे कोई क्यों लात मारना चाहेगा? So even though the technology is available where people, where network providers can actually give you voice calling capability over data, and this is not surprising because other people do it. Remember WhatsApp calling? Remember Skype? Remember Facebook Messenger calling? Remember so much FaceTime? All of this is voice over internet, VoIP या voice over LTE, VoLTE जिसे कहते हैं.